Enkale eyuerengia na woigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na woigo cyo tebererie kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao Bunabono, babwate normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumerang ayuari ayechigech emerongetato asamabati alia ayechigech emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago na Roman Jinko na wigo web design Wate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako grey, brick red, tile red, maroon, sky blue, nawigo na green. Obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi bwigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom. Onyare kabo gokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka. Ayo uchani warrant na wigo ayu urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuligo musongo ayu erange neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers ayu ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simigwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona. Sasa hii ni dawa au ni masharti? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je?
Maragabo mwancho muri Getembe TV Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobuenge kora sense meria yo muno bimanyerera Vanessa Nyaboga njengera Catherine Nyaboga kabana intuweka omwero natoko chaka ibunge ya Senate mobaso orero nigo yiranira ibikaro byaye magega yokoba asumutimuko angechigwikibere asebikaro byomwere ibunge yugo saba senata abo babikorete imeye county ya Busia asomorobero omwanyikaine buna bunga mashina na magega yaye ekagenda asumutimuko magega yogo sira kumo prime minister mukuru umoskiraira Odinga bakora wano monogere abo umoski Emerson Jefa King mugasorero nigo bamwenyera Raila na gukwanira igatiaria akorete aikiranite sense ya Kenya seboigo bakwanira alia bakwanirete imeye county ya Busia.
I urge the committees that undertook activities in Busia County to take necessary measures to follow up and ensure that the resolutions of the meetings are pursued to their logical conclusion for the benefit of the residents of Busia County. Lastly, I take this opportunity to commend the Kenya Women Senators Association, KEWOSA, for its impactful corporate social responsibility initiatives in the county that highlighted the challenges affecting Busia County, such as gender-based violence and childhood pregnancies. Honorable Senators, the Senate Mashinani program serves to demonstrate that every part of our country deserves equal attention and opportunity for development. By engaging directly with the local leadership and communities, the Senate gains invaluable insights into the unique challenges and aspirations of the people. These not only strengthen our connection with the counties, but also enable us to shape practical legislative interventions that further entrench the devolved system of governance. Now, Honorable Senators, as you're aware, during the recess, the nation lost one of its most impactful leaders, the late Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, CJH, former Prime Minister and an illustrious statesman whose vision and remarkable sacrifice has left an indelible mark in the country's history. In solidarity with the ideals that he held, the most befitting way to honor his legacy is by zealously defending the Constitution and deepening the gains of devolution. As we continue to discharge our legislative duties, let us remain inspired by his lifelong pursuit for justice and relentless quest for a more prosperous and inclusive Kenya. Honorable Senators, in conclusion, you will observe that this will be the last segment of the fourth session, 2025. It will be a short one before the December-January recess. The resumption of regular sittings in this last part brings with it a certain degree of urgency to conclude the legislative agenda before the Senate. It is in this context that I urge that we redouble our collective and individual effort in a bid to dispense with the business before the Senate.
Mwanasiasa korwa ebunge ya Bonchari oyobo igoro murikyo munene bw'ikiama kire kya UD Moske Darius Masoti ni gabolire abamenyi b'ebunge yo kumubwatesia eri kuboria ebintu korwa ase serikali korengana nere niga ebunge yo ya Bonchari yatigare magega ase ebintu ebinge ebyo bigwenderete gokonya abamenyi b'ebunge yo
arakolete keki ya serikali abana ko bakorodwa baru Mombasa baru Nakuru baru Meru bachicha gosomaga abakombo achinyombaga mwaro osikibesa buna Banchari mwaba onerie ndagera bakoriga buna Banchari ababundi bora mwaga acha buna Banchari abantu abana baito bakori 70% employment kyari chikora bari gotebanga locally abana 70% nabo bakori kwa institution ya cheya serikali bagete gosukuma nche buno murai embura buno monogario ino egara binte bibe kuga Bonchari ntonyoro bosoku twabere tokonyora matukaerire mwaigura abantu baminto bono iga buna tokwana iga na inwe ndete monyi gubya itobu ati KMTC Bonchari ya itobu ati TTI itobu ati university campus itobu ati TTC itobu ati any institution enene koleta kendega itobu ati managing director itobu ati CEO itobu ati any chairman of parastato itobu ati PS itobu ati minister na kieko wele mbule mbene rule bune sadaka wabeli yogirio Bonchari egere to make sure kwa mapenzi ya Mungu tukifaulu Abanchari na ilulinde muriedege chiko muri mwali meti
Murikyo botambe ase wizara y'ekisemi Moske Julius Bito kimambia ya rero ni gwara umurubiri woko igora matemwa manene ake KBC nabo igo ari akitsia asicho bisi chini ne Chankong county ya Kajiado chinga kya matemwa yo aswari tukuri akaberero Bito kinigaira buna ritukure goro mbabwate sis ensemi yo ya betike wetere bigocha korende wizara y'ekisemi nigo ya imoge Getembe kana kwene kebuna mbatangete ebigoche ebyo
I'm happy to report that so far so good. We are on track on matters examination, and I want to say that I want to thank all our stakeholders, including center managers, invigilators, for the smooth delivery of day one examinations yesterday. Today is day 2 for Kapsea, Kajasea, and we are confident that the process will go smoothly. And we have asked our stakeholders, our sub-county directors, our current directors, to ensure that they do their best to ensure that we deliver a credible exam. And from the look of things, we are on track in as far as this delivery is concerned.
Abaofisa b'abanyanyimbo kurwa ekaunti ya Kisii ni bababwatire sababekire byara abawakiri bane bobolimo imeyo mucho bosongo abo babeire bakwenda na obokoreri bobolimo gochasa bamenyi be ekaunti ya Kisii anamuno gochasa abari abakuriga amabaga yemeremo asomosa komonene oyo okora wa sora yetu na baraibe kiombe ky'abawakiri kya Law Society of Kenya ni gobana abo banyoretwe ne mioli yobolimo ase ayayiganiga gocha magaye serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii koralia amabaga yemeremo gochasa abamenyi be kaunti ya Kisii.
This morning we were called from the Kisii County Public Service Board. There have been complaints since the board advertised various positions that are supposed to be filled by the Kisii County government, and there are complaints that there are people who are hanging around the board offices who are masquerading as advocates, who are misleading members of the public, and that we are also having cyber offices that are within that region, within the board offices, who have stamps, advocate stamps. They are certifying documents, they are commissioning ESCC documents without being advocate.
Today we managed to arrest 3 of them. We, together with the stamps they were using, we did call the advocates that their stamps were being used, and they confirmed to us that they don't know such individuals, and they said suspects are already in custody. Yes.
Nimefika Public Service Board ku apply for my brother na nimepata advocate akaniambia liba shilingi 300 tukusaidie ndio uingize makaratasi. So our governor alisema hakuna mambo na pesa kupeleka makaratasi kwa board, na ndio nimeshangaa mbona tena tunapata watu wamesimama kwa gate wanatuambia tupeane pesa.
Because I was not aware what is going on. And then from there, they asked me who signed for you. I directed them to the man who signed for me. They arrested the man.
Morike botambi ase wizara ya wachenu Meri Muthoni niga kwanero musako ase bituo by'echindege na boige Meri erio gukora omuchando bwa mariogo yogotinda Muthoni nigo akwaneire enyamakoro ase etugo ya kurugoseru arte anene chinga kechiga abantu baroche emereyega Yesu kwasatebire nerebiya nyamende yonse abantu bakolia ase chinga cyabo na boigo konero achibushari ebege korengwa.
As a ministry, we have already put systems in place. Pale kwa port, hakuna mtu anapita kama bag yake haijaangaliwa na port health officers. And the first point of contact at the port inakuanga a port health officer. I know there is a security unit, but the first person who inspects you is the port health officer. Ingine ni digital. Ukitoka tu kwa ndege unakuta temperature yako imechukuliwa, lakini saa zingine hata ugundui. Hauwezi ukapita hapo kama temperature yako iko juu, because we must guard Kenya. I want to send a warning. Let us not eat uninspected meat during this period. Usiende kwako unakuta kuku inafifia, unasema wacha nichukue hii kabla ikufe. Ilishakufa. Usiende kwako ukakuta ng'ombe iko karibu kuanguka. Unasema iko tu sawa. Wacha tuangalie. Wacha tuonje. Hatutaki hospitali zijae this season. Please send this message. And I want to ask all the public health officers, kama kunao hapa, ingieni kazi. Wacha waende wafunge zile butchery zenye zinalete nyama zenye haziko inspected. Because you may not get it from home. Utapata kwa butchery. Na wale butcher ama merchants wenye hizo butcheries, wenye wanapanga kwenda kuchinja punda na kuchinja mnyama ingine this season, tunawaambia tafadhali, Wakenya wanataka amani, Wakenya wanataka kuwa safe, Wakenya wanataka kuwa kama wako healthy, because our health is our wealth.
Fanya nyimbo korwa Kenya na Tanzania nigo baumirana asoro beberwa sirare eriko kwanera omorembe na boigo borendi ensemeyo yani gagocha magega y'abantu anene mono abarundi abeti pikipiki kwerera bunani nigo bakonererirwa ase abantu babori gukwana n'ensemo y'oborendi kero umuchande ondo bwensi ororokana natibare taribere chiburaburu gosekorobekana ase ensemeyo.
So tulikuwa tunataka tupatanisho na tupeane malalamishi ya watu wetu, kwa sababu wamesema wamekuwa waskari wenye wakipiga tu batio laba, wakifunga break, kusimama ni kupiga hawa, kusimama ni kuchukua hizo mapikipiki, kusimama ni kufukuza hawa ama kupiga hiyo tia gas. So tumeanza leo saa meeting ya security ya Kenya ambayo tulikuwa tunangojea tukutane na nyinyi ndio tuwasilishe sasa hizo pikipiki wanasema imeshikwa huko. Na tukawataribu asubuhi, mimi mwenyewe kama OCS niliwataribu. Nikamwambia saa kama mtu amepatikana na makosa ya kanisani, hiyo hatutakomboa.
Sisi hatutaki fujo. Sisi tunataka amani. Sasa na iwe hivyo, OCS amezungumza vizuri. Jambo lenu kama kuna tatizo, kuna changamoto ambazo zipo, anasema anazo na kesho watakaa kikao zitazungumzwa. Sawa sawa? Kwa nini waje? Sisi tunataka amani. Hatutaki kusikia mnaanza kurusha mawe, mnafunga barabara, mnawasha moto. Sawa? Hiyo sio kawaida yetu sisi, sawa? Kwa tuondoke hapa, tuachie viongozi washughulike na matatizo mliowasilisha kwa
Steka Ikomi na isato cha butokire igoro Chinsa Ikomi cha bono morogobo mwansho muri wa Getembe TV na rayo kuri Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi twara burige borobya tomera nerit kurindi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka ucyase abahonya aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale yurengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unamono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate Dumerang ayuari aye chigech emeronge tato asama bati alia aye chigech emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala buna bonelia chako gray brick red tile red, maroon, sky blue, na boigo na green. Obutambe bwa mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase MRM showroom. Onyaraka bo kwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo iyo erange ne duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange ne bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sete namba chabo 01111614 0500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Spring